Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Caleb McAllister here. Thank you guys for joining. I wanted to show you guys a unboxing of this brand new high-end sleep mask from the folks at Help A2Z that they gave me to try, which I am really excited about. If you bear with me here. Alright, package is open. There's the box. And here's the mask. Oh, cool. And they sent me earplugs too. That's awesome. Okay, cool. So there's the bag for it. If you guys can see that. And then here is the mask itself. Nice. That is definitely much higher end than any of the other sleep masks that I've tried. See, I'm going to have to adjust the straps here. Okay, that's actually really comfortable. I'm definitely used to masks that are very much not that comfortable. I'm definitely bringing this on my next flight, I'll tell you that. The earplugs and the mask. I'll be using it at home, but I do not want to be on a flight without this. If you've traveled extensively, you know how hard it is to sleep on those. I think this is going to make a big difference. Super comfortable. Really nice construction, really soft and silky. I was looking, where is it? Yeah, skin friendly, no pressure on the eyes, so you can blink freely, durable and hand washable. Man, thanks a lot, Health A2Z. You guys rock. Check it out at the link below, guys. Thank you again for being here, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.